real property reports. And what if you don't have one on your possession day when you sold the home? It's very important for you to have your real property report. If you're selling your house, the first thing you should do is take a look at the real property report and make sure it's accurate. Make sure that it shows all the decks and fences, garages, all the structures on the property. If you've added anything or changed anything, you may need an update, and you want to do that right away so you get back to real property report, because on top of making sure everything's okay, you want to look for a stamp of compliance from your municipality. If there's any issue, you might have to get an encroachment agreement or a relaxation permit to allow that municipality to put the stamp of compliance on there. What happens if you don't have a real property report on possession? A number of different things, all of which are in the buyer's hands. They get to choose. You don't get any say. One, a buyer can say, I'm not taking possession. They don't move into the house, they don't take it, they don't pay you anything, and yet you still have to make your mortgage payments and deal with insurance and whatnot. They need a reasonable amount of time to look at the real property report and then get their insurance, their mortgage money. Two, they could say, well, we're going to take possession of the property, but they're only going to pay you interest that they would pay to their mortgage company. So it may be a nominal amount. If they're paying cash, you may not get any money from them, and yet they are required under the contract that you sign to not pay anything, and they can get the home. You're required to give it to them. Lastly, there could be a situation where they say, look, we'll take possession, we'll pay you, but we're going to hold back a certain amount of money. That amount is usually negotiated. From a seller's standpoint, you don't have a lot of negotiating standpoint because the contract is worded very much in the buyer's favor. So you can come up with an amount and close, which means your mortgage gets paid off and everything is fine, except you won't get that money until you're able to give the real property report with compliance to the buyers. If you have any questions about this, it's worth looking into and should be one of the first things you do when you sell your house. That's another Kahane Law Legal Minute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like our video, share our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.